Hello! Do you know how to round a number to the nearest 10,000? Okay, if you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So, if I had the number 17,000, what number would you round it to? Okay, well, I'm going to tell you the answer. You'd round it up to 20,000. Okay, and the reason why is because this number here is bigger than 5. And if this number is ever bigger than 5, you round it up. Okay, so if I said, let's go for this. If I went for 22,000, which do I round it to? Do I round it to 30,000 or 20,000? Well done! You round it back to 20, don't you? Because this number is not bigger than 5 or 5 itself. So you don't go up, you go back. So, this one you're going to ask for yourself, okay? So you're going to do it all on your own. So what about this one? Let's go for 39,000. What do I round this to? Well done. You'd round it up, wouldn't you? You'd round it to 40,000 because one last time, this number is bigger than 5. All right, use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you the next one. Bye!